So it's time for a tour of the room here at the Holiday Inn. We're staying on the 4th floor, which is the top floor. Yeah, so this is our room. I mentioned it in the last video, but we did end up paying, I think it was €135 a night for this place, which isn't too bad to be fair, considering it is July. I'll show you the view first, because it is an amazing view. And this is the view from our balcony. I'll start on the balcony. Yeah, you can see right down into Albufeira there, where that big towery thing is. I think that's like a drop ride sort of thing. That's pretty cool. And a big view all over like the big town. I think it's town, isn't it? Yeah, it's not a city. You see right down the coast when it's a bit clearer. Yeah, got just two little like chairs, a little table here, nothing too big or anything, but it does the job. It's quite nice. The chairs are relaxing. Got some pools. I'll show them a bit later if I can, when they're closed probably. Right, let's go into the room and see what the room is like. It's for 3 people, so here's where I sleep down here. Got a big double bed. There's a wardrobe. It's not overly huge, but it's sort of the perfect size for what you want. You'd be fine here for a week. Got a little mini fridge down there actually. That didn't have anything in it, but apparently they can fill up the mini bar. I'm sure that's not free of charge. Normally they can be quite expensive, but we did get some water and coffee and things like that, so that's not too bad. Nice big telly on the wall. Yeah, I think it's relatively new as well, this hotel. Oh yeah, and the bathroom, I forgot to show this. Here we go, we've got a nice shower there. This is quite spacious, to be honest. Toilet, yeah, we'll leave that one there. I think that's just the norm abroad. Fun little mirror thing there, and yeah, it's a pretty spacious bathroom to be fair. There's a lot of room in here. You've got plenty of space for like all your, I don't know, makeup, anything. It's a very big space. And yeah, that is basically where we're staying for the next 3 nights. I think it's a pretty good room. I'm fairly happy with it. It has got air conditioning. Couldn't get that to work last night, but I think we figured it out now. What's it on at the minute? 26.5 degrees, so yeah, it's a pretty warm one. But now I'm going to show you the rest of the hotel. Yeah, so this is the outdoor pool area. I've come down just as it opened to yeah, make sure it's nice and quiet, no one's in it. It's a very nice outdoor pool. If you're wondering about depths of it, I thought I'd include them. It's like, this bit's all like shallow, and most kids should even be able to stand up in this. And that's like 2 meters, so really, really deep, like 6'6". Doesn't go through to the indoor one anymore. Right, so I go over here. That isn't the only pool here at the Holiday Inn. There's an indoor one. And obviously there's all sun lounges around, there's plenty of those available. Even on a busy day like yesterday, there was still some available. And if I head down these steps, there is another pool down here. This was a lot quieter yesterday. It was basically like having a private pool, really. Yeah, this is that one. It's about 1.2 metres deep, I think. Yeah, our balcony overlooks this one. Got a little kiddie pool there. There's this lovely sun lounge to go all the way up that grassy bank, and that's really nice. Yeah, it's just a bit different. Yeah, it's toilets, showers and stuff. If you're wondering about the pools that are open, yeah, 8 till 8 in the summer. It looks like 8 till 7 in the winter. But I can't imagine the outdoor ones being open in the winter. Right, away from the pools now, and down to this area. This is exploring for you and me both, because I've never been down it. Little kiddie play area just there. And there's a kids club in there. It's got like a rock wall. Looks quite secure, to be fair, which is always good. And I don't know what this is, but I'm going to go down to it. Yeah, if we're still even in the Holiday Inn actually. What is this? It looks like the sort of place you'd watch a show, doesn't it? I don't think there's much else down here, so I'm not going to keep going down there. I think I'll head back into the building and show you some more of the facilities, probably the gym and stuff now. So down from the pools and where the breakfast area is now, going down to -2, which is where the gym and like games room and stuff is. Down on -2 now, that's the indoor pool up there. There's like a sports room there, but that's closed. There's a gym in there. Yeah, that gym is pretty big actually. It seems to have most of the stuff you'd want on holiday. For a hotel gym, I don't think it's too bad. It's like 2 or 3 rooms worth there, so not too bad, but I'm not going to show you that because you know what a gym looks like. Yeah, quick look at the games room now, which is also on -2. Yeah, it's not massive in here. There's like a hockey table, couldn't think of what it was called then. A football table, and a little pinball machine.